In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master lead generation. We're going to dive into HubSpot's blogging tools, which can significantly boost your ability to attract potential leads through engaging content. Let's get started. First, open HubSpot and ensure that you're logged into your account. This is important as you can't access the tools we need without being logged in. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top navigation bar. You'll see an option labeled Content. Click on that and then select Blog from the drop-down menu. The blog feature in HubSpot is a fantastic built-in tool designed to help you publish and manage articles right on your website. It's tailored to attract visitors, keep your audience updated, and, importantly, enhance your site's SEO. This feature offers various templates and an intuitive editor to help you create polished posts. You'll also appreciate the SEO optimization tips and the flexibility of scheduling your posts for future publishing. As soon as you arrive on the blog page, take a moment to explore all the blogging capabilities that HubSpot offers. You will find plenty of features aimed at making your blogging experience more efficient and impactful. Now it's time to click on the Create button. This is where the magic happens, where you can begin crafting your blog posts that are optimized for lead generation. Once you click Create, a new interface will open with the option to Create Blog Post. Go ahead and select that. This is your blank canvas where you can let your creativity and expertise shine. Take full advantage of HubSpot's formatting tools. These are designed to help you structure your post in a way that's appealing both to your audience and to search engines. When you're ready to write your title, keep in mind that your title is a crucial part of your blog post. It should be engaging and descriptive, naturally incorporating relevant keywords. These are essential for improving the discoverability of your content on search engines, which directly impacts your lead generation efforts. Remember, a well-crafted title can be the difference between a potential lead clicking to learn more or continuing to scroll past your article. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're not just creating a blog post, but setting a strong foundation for effective lead generation. With HubSpot, you're equipped to reach a broader audience and capture the interest of potential leads.